welcome back to Shaylin's TV, and I'm back with another video. Today is Saturday the 12th in Saturday, July 12th, and it's 11:29 right now. So I know I'm looking a little different because I'm in the midst of doing my hair right now. I'm doing a 90s hairstyle, and I was debating if I was gonna come on here and finish recording the rest of me doing my hair and stuff, but I have other stuff to do. I don't have time to edit and finish this on timely manner because I have to go get my lunch. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me today. But first thing first, I'm actually fixing me some breakfast. I was craving a sausage breakfast sandwich. So right now, and some coffee. I'm making me some coffee. So taking you guys with me to the grocery stores. Now we're going to two grocery stores. I'm going to Aldi's and I'm going to Peeps. Well, I call it Peps. I'm going to Peps grocery store to go get me these drinks and hopefully some sushi or something like that. And I gotta go get me a bus card. So yeah, but from Aldi's, all I'm getting is some pizza because I've been on a pizza kick lately. I don't know why. But it's these flatbread pizzas I've been addicted to. There's some other stuff that I need to do. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this hair and stuff. I got twisties, but they're gonna be twisties with bantu knots, and this gonna be flipped up because the hairstyle's supposed to be flipped. I got everything I needed to get, so yeah, just stay tuned. Breakfast sausage, and then I'm about to cook my eggs in a minute. So yeah, eggs over easy. Yeah, it's gonna be good. You're gonna see how it comes out. My mom used to eat over easy eggs, and she the one put me on to it when I was younger. Mom, what you eat? I want some. So ever since she had over easy eggs, I've been addicted to them ever since. I like scrambled eggs too, but over easy eggs. So I didn't have no white bread, so I had to use wheat today. So, cause I'm wheat. No, I'm saying. So let me go ahead and flip these eggs real quick. Well, here's my coffee cup and my cream and my sugar in here. Yeah, I poured all the stuff out in here. So I'm putting my sugar in first. It's a big cup for some sugar. But yeah, I'm putting my sugar in first. That. Yeah, I was craving mayonnaise. It's a thing with me. But yeah. Maybe a little more. This is hazelnut cream. Hazelnut cream. I got my two sausage right here. So let me finish doing this first. Pour it in my cup. Yeah, I'm not even supposed to be drinking coffee, but I'm craving it. So see, I'm drinking. If I could get anything else out of it. Obviously, no. Oh, I'm gonna have to take the knife, do the old-fashioned method, get this mayonnaise out of here. Cause right here, yeah, it's my breakfast sandwich, and my coffee is made. This is over easy sausage, cheese, mayonnaise breakfast sandwich. Period. And my really good coffee. Good coffee. I'm about to put some ice in it because I want it to be iced coffee. Really. Whatever. What the? These pizzas. I've been talking about. They are so good. Let's just look at you guys. I'm at it. I want to try this. It was only $1, I think 89 or 84 or something. It's called the Golden Child Turmeric Shot Organic. So I want to try this. I hope it's I'm nervous. I got to get more vitamins in my body. Y'all, I got to finish the rest of my hair when I get back to the house. But anywho, let's go ahead and open this. I gotta finish. I'm gonna finish. Heck, you know, bro. It's frozen for one. I'm gonna keep these little bottles though. They frozen. Turmeric nasty. Naturally, I see why they put it in the food, but good grief, that was my honest reaction, y'all. Hey y'all, so now, you know, I forgot to bring my umbrella too, because it's supposed to be thunder, rainstorm, things of that nature. So yeah, what else I can say? I'm hot, but not too hot. I'm a little bit hot. But we about to be on our way to Peeps. Peps, because I gave every store a new name. I haven't gave all these a name. I just call all these. So yeah. So I got me something for dinner tonight. I got me a pizza. I went ahead and bought 2. And now I'm finna go get my lunch from Peeps. And these drinks that I want, I'm getting those as well. I'm gonna see what else I need out of there while I'm in there. But yeah. And then after that, I'm gonna finish my hair. I might get up in the morning and finish the rest of my hair is finished. I just gotta flat iron it, put the springs back on it so it could lock up correctly. But I really like my hair. I was inspired by the 90s hairstyle. I didn't do the braids, but I did do the twist. So now I'm just waiting for the bus or whatever. So yeah, tomorrow's a big day. So we're gonna do a get ready with me tomorrow. And I didn't even know, that lady did real good finding the right hair for this hair, because originally my hair was supposed to be dyed red. Trying to dye my hair red because it would go with my shoes and my feet or whatever. But things didn't happen. Oh, speaking of that, I need to be pulling out my heels and stuff tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna look nice tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back when I made it to the next grocery store. And I got me some yogurt. I need it, so it's going in my lunch bag. So yeah, up on the drinks that I get. So I went ahead and got one of these, but I couldn't be mistaken. This say immune system, so I always get these though. But let me see these. These are $1 a piece. Lunches. I could either get a sandwich. It comes with a whole kit, chips and stuff like that. They don't even make the California crab no more. Or I could get the, I don't know, y'all. I'm debating. Because this sandwich, this is ham. I don't think I need too much Okay, I should get this one. This Italian. I want a turkey. Turkey. Yeah, it comes with the stuff on there. I know. You know, it would be so funny. They don't know other people speak other languages in here. Oh, I got my drink, and I got my sandwich. So let's go to chip aisle. Put your chips in this aisle. Nope. And y'all, my tooth been hurting again. I'm gonna have to take some ibuprofen when I get home. I gotta find my medicine first. But my tooth been hurting. I woke up this morning in pain, so it's $5.99. Get some chips. See if they got them JR chips. Or should I get rice cakes? I got yogurt. I got my drink. I got a sandwich. So hot chips. And I've been craving them again. About to get, oops, sorry. Last thing I'm about to get is some vitamin water or Arizona drink. I think they in this aisle. Hold up, y'all. These chips. This is something new, so might as well grab a bag. So I'm gonna try these. I did what chips I want, but ooh, this is new spicy dill pickle. What I do that at? That's new. But I'm not getting them. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to do my best to not eat no spicy chips. I'm trying my best. Cause I know I am. Hold up, y'all. These drinks, I drink these all the time. Let me see. Where is this though? But I'm gonna try to get a vitamin water, or these are good too. I think that's soda. I need some like liquids. You know what I noticed? I never get actual okay, hold up, y'all, hold up. We get one more thing. Do they even got them? Up. Sorry. You're welcome. I should get the drink sweet tea. Hold up, y'all. I'm debating if I'm gonna get these or these. I have no idea yet, but we gonna have to see, cause it's half and half lemonade, and then that's green tea. I love green tea, but I like this one too. So maybe I'm gonna get this and half and half. I'm gonna get this. Oh, and the last thing I need is some chocolate, some candy. Sorry, go ahead. So I'm gonna give me some chocolate and then I'm finished, because I already bought me 2 pizzas. So let me find me some chocolate. I don't know what a candy at in here. Look like with the light on it. It's so pretty. Okay, let me pause here and cut the pizzas individually, and I'm putting them in the oven. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and it's pretty. It's so pretty. Hello. Grapes at home. I got 2 things of grapes. I'm gonna pack some of my grapes up with my lunch, because I don't know how long I'm gonna be there the event don't start until like 5 o'clock, but I have to be there at 3. So I'm bringing me a lunch with me, and then my food, I'm just bringing my food home with me later. Do it that way, cause it's too hot for me to be doing extra and stuff. I'm trying to be very cautious with the heat on me, cause I do get overheated. Yeah, hold up, y'all. Hold up. Hey, y'all, I was saying I do get overheated where I be sweating now. Something done changed in my DNA, cause I be sweating a lot more than I used to. I've been sweating like this since I was younger. Shoot. So, that's my bus. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare my lunch, pack it all up for tomorrow. So I don't gotta worry about nothing. I need to have my clothes, my feet, and nails need to be done by tomorrow. So I'm gonna call y'all back later. Grand Rising. Today's Sunday, July 13th, and it's 8:47 right now. 8:47 a.m. Excuse me for my yarning. Y'all had a long night. Yeah. I don't know if I'm finna do a get ready with me. I might just do where I just get myself, show y'all before and after or something when I'm dressed. I gotta flat out my hair, and right now I'm in pain right now, my front tooth. And you won't believe how it started back hurting too. I do need to still go to the dentist. This darn thing, I was at the bus stop. This picture you see right here, you see it. I was at the bus stop in the little wooden part. I was not paying attention to what I was doing. The thing hit me straight in my mouth, and that was like last week ago or the week after that, and my teeth is starting to hurt now. I don't have no antibiotics. I think I hit it where it woke the tooth nerve back up. And that's another thing I was saying. How is it that they say the nerve is got fluid on my tooth, right? But I could feel, if it's dead, if the nerve is dead, how come I could feel pain in my tooth? If the nerve is dead, don't that mean the tooth is the nerve is dead? That means you aren't supposed to have no pain in your front tooth? That don't make no sense. But anywho, I need to give me some antibiotics. I do got 600 milligrams of sorry y'all, I'm a little crusty. 600 milligrams of ibuprofen. And I'm literally thinking about pulling this tooth out, to be honest. Man, I wish I would have, when I was younger, I wish I would have made better choices with my teeth. I swear. Because a lot of stupid stuff I used to hit spoon. Look, if I be honest, I'm just going to be honest. When I was younger, I used to hit spoons up against my teeth. When I was younger, I don't know why. I was just curious. I don't know. It's just something, that's true facts. I don't know. I need to look that up. And the reason why I chipped right here, because my dumb butt was playing with fingernail clippers, and I chipped my tooth. So, this tooth really bothers me. Me and this tooth been through a lot. But, I might need to pull it out. Well, we gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the dentist. I got my dentist insurance now, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to go make an appointment with Aetna dentist or whatever. And I don't know if I want them to pull my wisdom tooth. I've been thinking about that too. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready, you guys. I've been talking for 3 minutes. Enough for me. Y'all got it. So, I'm getting ready. I need to go ahead and flat out my hair. I'm about to jump in the shower. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. No car mask, my lips dry. So I'm dressed. I got my lunch bag and I got my heels on. And I'm getting ashy out here. I forgot to bring my oil. I got my lashes on. I ain't putting no eyeshadow on. I ain't feel like doing all that. Yeah, it's hot. It really is. I could stop at the beauty supply store and get some more stuff. I'm sweating. But I'm gonna call you guys back when I get a chance.
Stick up right here. You really don't have to bring it up there. We were doing it because we didn't know we had to adjust the sound. You don't have to be that close. Okay. So just so you can balance out your voice and everything. Okay. Alright, now you ready? 1, 2, and... Let me know if you want it down or up. Trust me, I just need to
You guys, today is Monday the 14th and it's like 1 o'clock or something, but I'm about to be taking this hair down. I'm gonna keep the twist up a little longer, but I'm taking the weave down. It's irritating me. It's already coming up anyways, so I'm taking it down, you guys, because I don't like the fact that my scalp is irritated.